Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can disable autopay on Netflix and stop your subscription from automatically paying again. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account on Netflix on the PC website version on my Google Chrome browser, and I'll be using this to explain. However, the process is very similar for the mobile version as well, so just follow my steps and you should get it very easily. Now, what you want to do to turn off auto payment is go into your account, hover over your profile icon, then go into account settings, and then as you can see, you have your membership details here. You can either click manage membership or you can click on membership itself. I'll click there, and as you can see, you can change the plan if you wish. However, what you can also do is cancel the membership. If you want to disable auto billing, just click on that, and once you click on that, you'll be able either to finish the cancellation or pause for 1 month, and after 1 month is done, your billing will resume. However, you can also click finish cancellation for cancellation to be complete, and then it'll take effect at your next billing date, and you won't be able to watch more Netflix until you pay again. When 10 months, I think, pass, your account might be deleted, so you'll be prompted to make a new account whenever you're trying to restart your subscription if you want to do that in the future. But in this case, this is pretty much how you cancel your autopay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.